I got this bracelet. It's kind of cute. I don't know. Boring. So, what I'm going to do is, first, I bought these little, they kind of call them vase fillers. So, I'm just going to try an experiment. So, I have this little gadget that makes hearts. And what I'm going to do is I got sparkly paper. I'm going to put it on there. It's a sticker, but ugh, not in the middle. You probably won't really see much of it because what we're going to do is put all this glue here. I want like a good amount of glue, but I don't want it like sliding off the sides and everything. But you gotta be able to hold those other gems. And that's what I'm gonna do. Stick them all over it. Just trying to get them on there at first, and then I'll use something else to kind of move them around. After looking at it, I think it might need a couple more sticking out. I just don't know how well they're going to be glued in there. Take a little glue and do a couple dabs. If you do too much, then it will actually not even show the facets of it. This is crystal clear 3D lacquer. I love it. It dries super clear. A little bit right there. I don't know. Have to see when it dries.